My name is Kole Petkovski. I was born in 1946 in the village of Besvina, Lerina region in Macedonia, that is under Greece. In 1948, as a baby, I was taken out from my family by the Greek partisans, communist Greek partisans, and forcibly taken to Hungary, where I was adopted by a Hungarian family of a Jewish descent. There I stayed with them till 1953. I was adopted and was like a part of family. Also with me was another girl, a Macedonian, from the village of Novo Selo Kostrusko. Her name was Jana. Unfortunately for her, she ended up now in Israel because nobody couldn't find her. And the family, when they moved, the Jewish family, when they moved to Israel, they took her with her, and she now have a big family there and adopted the Jewish religion. Lucky for me, in 1953, my sister, Mara, I didn't know that she was existed. She went to Red Cross and asked they to find me, and because she wanted to take me with my brother Yanni and go to Yugoslavia, to Republic of Macedonia, when my father was there, and also my mother was in Poland, and after that we met all in Macedonia, in the Republic of Macedonia, in Yugoslavia then, and now the Republic of Macedonia. So I tried many times to go back to see my village, but like in 1988, since I came in Canada in 1970, I took my family, my son and my daughter and my wife, and went back to Macedonia in Greece. But I was forcibly taken out from the train by the Greek security people and driven back to the border side where then was Yugoslavia. It's like you can't go back to your village. You have no right. Like for the birth certificate, the Greek government refuses to give me the birth certificate. I tried twice to go in, like a tourist, to visit my relatives there, but they all find me and deported me back. So the main point is I'm like a human being on this planet Earth, and I'm looking for my basic human right. I'm Macedonian, have nothing against the Greek people, Greek government, whoever they are, because I'm a Christian and I believe in goodwill and love toward the mankind. So I like to send this message to the Greek Orthodox Church, to the Greek government, to stop this nonsense. There is no Macedonian people. There is that, all kind of thinking they are having in their mind. Like it's very hard for a child to grow with no father, the natural father. They are alive, and you don't know they exist. You have a brother, a sister. I didn't know. And the Jewish family tell me, Mikuláš, it's our Jewish tradition. We don't make lies. It's a very big sin. So we have to tell you this. We have to break the news to you that you are not our sons. We love you as our sons. But your sister, Mara, came to the Red Cross and she wants you to go back to her. Because she promised to your mother that when we left the village, my mother told her, I'm giving you baby Kole to your hand. And please, when I meet you again together, you give me baby Kole back to my hand. So she promised this to my mother. And she told this to the Red Cross. And they agreed that I have to be separate from my adopted parents. And after that, I met my sister, met my brother, Yanni. He was 10 years old older than me. My sister is 14 years older than me. And after we met my mother, and all together went to Republic of Macedonia, then in Yugoslavia, in the city of Prilep. 2 times I tried to go to Greece. 2 times I was denied my human right, my birthright, all one human can have. Like they say to me, how come your name in the passport is Petkovski? Should be in the Greek. I tell him, you have a problem I asked the person if he have a problem with his name. He said, no. He said, I love my name. I tell him I have the same right. I love my name too. Not because I love the name. This is the truth. This is my true name, Petkovski, not Petropoulos, as originally when I left the village. Because everybody in my village during the Greek time was given name by the Greek authorities. Even they changed the name of my village. During the Greek name they put. Everything have to be in Greek. So somebody say like walk like a dog, you're a dog. That's the idea of the Greek authority, to give you a Greek personality on you. There is nothing wrong to be Greek. But as I said, I'm Christian, And I like to live with the truth. And the truth is I'm Macedonian.